How to change payment method on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your payment method on Mondly, and here is how to go about it. Now, the first step is to sign in into your Mondly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you will be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you must have a payment method if you want to change your payment method, right? Yes. And so to do so, you would have to um go to your Play Store. All right. So, and before then, you must have subscribed to our monthly subscriptions. All right, the premium subscription. So, once you subscribe to the premium subscription, and then you want to change the payment method that you used earlier, just go to your Play Store, and then on the Play Store's page, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. All right. So after clicking on your profile icon, you can see details such as manage apps and device, notifications and offers, payments and subscriptions. You just click on that. After clicking on payments and subscriptions, we brought to the payments and subscriptions page. On this page, the first option here is payment method, and that is what you are going to select. After selecting the payment method, you will take it to the payment method page where you'd see all of your payments method. So here you can see that the payment method originally used is credit and debit card. So to change it, just click on more payment settings, and then you'll be taken to another page where you can now go ahead to learn on how you can add a better payment method. So just go ahead, add the payment method, follow through the processes, and then when next you want to renew your payment through on monthly, this second payment method will be displayed, so you can just select it as a method that you want to use. So this is how you can change your payment method on monthly. The major thing is to make use of the store where you got the application. If yours is the app store, ensure you go to the app store or any store where the application came from, so that you can easily effect your changes. Thanks for watching and have a good day.